welcome back again to my channel, Rude and Temple Adventure. Today, I'll show you the Dulce De Leche banana cream pie. So this ingredients and also this instruction here is from Miss Mama Judi, and this is all her ingredients sent together with the bags. And the ingredients is one package of Maria cracker here, and salt, and of course our banana, and the cream cheese, one package of cream cheese here, but I think I can use this only for us, and also the butter and the powdered sugar, the cinnamon powder. And since we don't have whipped cream, I'm using only the all-purpose cream, cream, and also this Dulce De Leche caramel and the banana here. So, but first we will for the crust we will put this Maria cracker in a food processor, which is, we don't have food processor, but I have here is the Nutri-Ballet, so I will just use this one just to process this until it's perfectly ground. So we will just repeat the process, just put little by little of this Maria crackers here. Then after all it's done, I will just put it back on the container again, and I will put it together with the salt so that it will be, and also the melted butter here. I will use 4 tablespoons, and of course our cinnamon powder. Then we will just put this together. Now it's 8 tablespoons unsalted butter. Then I will just try to put it again on the Nutri-Ballet mixer so that I can incorporate all the ingredients. Then we will form this into crust or the pie. So I have a round pan here, so we'll transfer the mixtures for our crust for the pie. So we will just use spatula for this one to form this on this pan. So we will just put a little bit, like it's 2-inch on the side of this pan. We just push this one using the spatula until it will form really crushed pie on this pan. Then we will just put this inside the refrigerator for 20 minutes so that it will be for the solidity for this crush for the pie. So it's all like this, so I think it's pretty enough for me to put this on the fridge for 20 minutes. So while we're waiting for our crust to the pie crust to the refrigerator for 20 minutes, we will using a hand mixer. We will just whip our butter first in a medium speed, and of course we will add our cream cheese here. I'm just using half of this package, which is has 225 gram on this one, so I'm just using half of that one. We will beat this until minimal, until it's fluffy. Then we will add the powdered sugar and the cinnamon on this one too. I just beat this on the loose bed on this hand mixer until it will be combined, and we will just add our instead whipped cream. I'm using the all-purpose, which is heavy cream for this one, and so that it will be mixed together, and we'll just beat this until it will soak big. And using the spatula, just grab on the side of the pot baking pan so that you can mix all together. Some of the ingredients are not mixed yet, so make sure that's all combined. And since our cream is soft and fluffy now, so it's ready for us to assemble our pie. So once your cream is supposed to have a little toothpick on the end of this one, so it's ready. So we will just put a little more on this one. So once you remove your mixer, it's look like that. So we will start to assemble now. So we will just remove our crust from the refrigerator to assemble this one. So I opened the Dulce De Leche caramel. Since I put this in the refrigerator, it's become more sticky, so I'm using spoon to put, because we need to spread this over the crust, so we will just make sure that the crust will not break. So I'm using my hands too, but of course I'm wearing kitchen gloves for this one, the food gloves, so that you can spread all over on the crust for this caramel. So just be careful. Just be careful for this one that it will not break the crust. So we'll just continue to spray the caramel, and make sure that it's all covered on the side of this crust and it's smooth. So this time, I think I spread nicely and smooth the caramel all over on the top of the pie. So this time I need to cut the banana like this way. So this is the first time I'm making this kind of pie, so it's new for me, but I hope it will come out nicely and it will taste good. So I will just arrange the banana on the bottom first, Yeah, of course we just put this banana at the bottom. Then we will just add our cream cheese mixture over the banana. So once it's done, so we'll just put some of our cream cheese mixture over on the banana. Then we will um, spread all over on this banana. Then we still have remaining banana, so we'll just we can put this as a second layer for this one. So we're done for our first layer. So since I still have remaining of my cream cheese mixture, so I had to put a second layer on this one, but I did not put any chocolate in the top because it's like it's too much sweet for us too. So because the caramel is too sweet, and of course the banana. And after this one, we will just cover and spread evenly to complete cover the banana layer. This one, and I'm using my magic card again. This is my favorite card that I'm using to smooth my frosting on my cake. So this is magic card for me. So we will just finish this one. Then after this one, I just had a cheese here, so I just put two on the top of three on the top of this one, so that's just for decoration only. So then after this one, we will just put and refrigerate this one and chill until it will set. I think it's 3 hours, 2 hours, like that. It's up to us. Maybe for sure we cannot wait to eat this one, so we will just put this in the fridge. So after 3 hours, I can't wait to taste on this banana Dulce De Leche cream pie. So we're excited to slice this one, and we will just try how just still look at that. It's a perfect crust on the side that we have here with scap. And here it is. It's very creamy and tastes good. So thank you for this ingredients, Judy. Thank you so much for the ingredients and for the instructions how to make this Dulce De Leche banana